1,000 years ago. That's when CJO KONTAKT started. When we were thin and strong against the world. 1,000 years ago, our first class was conducted. When we were so naive and full of hope. And now we have matured, both cynical and sensitive. There's still a lot to do, and we know we will win again and again. The key to victory. The key to our steady growth is quiet unity of different voices. 1,000 years ahead, our final class will happen, and students will still praise our class. And now we have matured, both frightened and wiser. There's still a goal to score, and our team is the best again and again, again.